Do you think you'd like to work with Jamie again?
No.
He's probably saying something very different. Are you saying nice things, by the way? I'm saying like extraordinarily nice things over here.
I am.
Great.
Yeah, no, you're amazing. I want to thank my fellow nominees and my Oppen homies. That was a rhyme.
What, for Peaky?
Yeah.
No, Kill knows this as well.
Unbelievable.
Yeah, I actually didn't watch it, actually. No, exactly. Like, yeah, it actually started a beat.
Cillian and I have a similar sense of humour in that we both find me very funny.
What do you find humorous about this one?
I mean, his performance mostly.
The scene where the bar girl steals a fish's wallet, is that you, the girl?
Yes, that is, yeah. Hours of makeup.
How did that feel to be, with a
woman.
mini skirt and blonde wig?
Ask Cillian, actually. It's more...
He looked good. If I didn't know.
You would know that. You would know.
So I gave him this pillow, but it turned out... Do you mind if I tell the story?
I mean, you're gonna.
I'm gonna tell it.
How long had you been kind of wanting?
You have screwed this up, though,
In what way?
You used to be an actor,
Yeah.
and now you're a movie star.
Okay. Am I? My mum brought out the sponge. She had made a sponge cake, so we had a sponge cake. It's a true story.
What did she say?
Here's the sponge cake. 14 hours, and then work, and then go to bed. Not together, but Can I have this? Oh, yes. I don't know if it'll fit in the bag. Amazing. I mean, could stay in here all day.
We had the Irish TV stations, but they wouldn't import any British shows.
Really?
Yeah, for obvious reasons.
I've just been at home eating cheese.
Well, you look great for eating cheese for 4 or 5 months.
Thanks. Recommend
When did you stop eating cheese?
it. Yesterday.
Oh, right.
The men and women involved, so we definitely thought about that every day.
Am I answering that as well?
You don't have to if you don't want to. We can move to the next question if you want.
Sure. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh boy. First question, do I have lipstick all over my nose? I'm just gonna leave it. Oh boy. Holy moly. It's a real gift to go and see Chris's films and watch them without having the terrible burden of looking at my own stupid head. Do you know what I mean?
So instead of fear of missing out, you have...
Relief of missing out.
That's what Romo is. Yeah.
So...
Yeah. That's an understandable...
You get a 60% better chance of not getting them, I guess.
Go to Donald, I mean.
In my trailer, just doing the thing.
I mean, I think it's going to bed hungry is not. I wouldn't do that. But by choice. I sound like Tiny Tim or something.
Yeah, but he wasn't with us the Cookie Monster night. He hasn't seen him rage. He hasn't seen it.
Exactly.
Do you rage?
Yeah.
Oh, you do?
Go on, say it.
Hi there, how you doing?
¿Cómo estás?
¿Cómo estás?
Muy bien. Cillian.
Hello.
Mi amigo.
Hi, Cillian.
Ah.
Henry McKean here from News Talk Radio Ireland, coming from a pool top bar celebrating you. Congratulations.
Good for you.
I just want...
Jamie and Cillian, OMG. Talk to me, guys, about filming, OMG, oh my God.
I thought it was from the periodic table.
How was it filming in Czechoslovakia together?
It kind of took off. It became it became a thing.
I mean, it's so disgusting.
But it's everywhere.
But the story behind that is it's to prevent lice infestation.
Wait, what? How?
The old pal, Tom. Tom, I haven't seen it. Sorry.
Emily Blunt.
Hello, I'm Cillian Murphy.
Hi, I'm Matt Damon.
Oh, and we're here with
An ensemble piece. I will say everyone's claiming you're the internet's boyfriend. Now that we're seeing you a lot more doing these interviews and hitting the press circuit. And you didn't know about that.
No, I don't know about too many things internet-wise.
They're loving you, Cillian. They're loving you.
How long between the series ending and the movie?
Oh, it was like 2 years or 3 years.
That's not bad.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it wasn't that hard to slip back into the shoes.
Well, kind of, you know, when you start, it's a bit difficult. Then he kind of ends up like driving the car. If you know what I mean? It's kind of because he just takes over, and you wouldn't want him driving your car.
But I had more than one Ammon today. For sure, I wouldn't recommend anyone exists an Ammon today.
And covering miles on the beach, performing for Scout.
How are you?
I'm alright, how are you?
Did you sleep?
Yeah.
Did you do nothing last night?
I had a bath.
Oh, I did too! Too much info. Guys, Cillian Murphy had a very long bath last night.
Any lighter fare, any comedies in your future?
Cillian's not funny enough.
I remember at one point I said to Chris, Chris, there appears to be, he appears to speak Dutch here, and I think he's giving a lecture in Dutch here. What are we going to do about that? And Chris said, you mean, what are you going to do about that? So that's when he's losing his clearance right at the end of the movie. that would... This movie will make you want to move to France, certainly at the beginning. But by the end of the movie, you will not want to move to France.